Puerto Vallarta! Hola!
To Mexico.
Ah, look at the beautiful waters. It's really cute. We see an octopus on top, and then I see alligator feet. From the back, it looks like a dragon, or maybe it's a fish. Woo! It's the ears. What's the ears? Where's the face? Right here is the face. These are the eyes. Look, very extraordinary sculptures we see here. Vallarta.
It's an opal stone, natural opal stone.
The opal mine.
Opal mine.
Puerto Vallarta! We are finally in Puerto Vallarta. We always wanted to come here.
Look at all the birds.
Yeah, many pigeons. Oh, it's so lovely here. So we're finally here in the heart of Vallarta, right? It's a downtown area. It's an old town. And this is where the Malecón is, which is a oceanfront boardwalk. So compared to Mazatlan, where we were right before Vallarta, right? It's a much smaller boardwalk, much shorter. So compare 1 mile with like 8 or 9 miles of the boardwalk in Mazatlan. So this is very easy to walk, and it seems like a very, very nice place. There's a nice vibe already. Like music and all this cute little eating places, and this is all about just cultural vibes here on Malecón. Authentic Mexican culture, which is reflected in different souvenir shops and some artisanal, Mexican craft shops. And also, the most important thing is what we hear is Malecón it's full of statues here, and this is like look at you. Yeah. So this is a walking interactive art gallery right here on Malecón of Puerto Vallarta. So there's many statues here, and they are wonderful. So, and they all come with a story. And there's a lot of street performances here and live music. So they say that Malecón of Vallarta is like really the heart and soul of Mexican culture in Vallarta. So when you come to Puerto Vallarta, you have to come here. It's a must for every tourist. And also, if you want to try authentic Mexican cuisine, this is also a place to be, where you can see a lot of different restaurants along the Malecón. Okay, so we're finally in Vallarta, and we are on the journey of discovery. So let's see what we're gonna find. Let's go. Yeah, me too. Wow. I smell very delicious seafood. Oh, wow. beautiful sculpture right here. Oh, wow. Wow, look. Okay, tell me what you see in this sculpture.
I see some people and I see birds up there.
What are the people doing? Are they flying or something?
I think so.
Wow. It's a millennium statue. Monument dedicated to the city of Puerto Vallarta. So it's like, again, talk about the cycle of life, right? It's an infinite cycle of life. So we are at the start of the Malecón. It's the north end of the Malecón of Puerto Vallarta. And we're standing, it starts right by this hotel, historical hotel called Hotel Rosita, north end of Malecón. And we're gonna take a walk all the way down south to the end of the Malecón. And we're gonna tell you all about it, and you're gonna see it all with your own eyes. Wow. Like aqua, I see a jet ski too. Wow, look at this beautiful waters. The color is different here. It's like really bright blue-green, like, you know, color. I guess each shoreline, each coastline of, you know, Mexico is really different depending where you are, depending on how the coastline is positioned. So look, the colors are like, wow. Wow, this is amazing. So I see two different colors right here. In the front, it's like light greenish, blue-greenish color, right? And then starts deep blue color. So, which means apparently that side is way deeper than right here. But it's just such a drastic change in color. It's very obvious, right? Do you see that?
Yeah.
Step up so you can see the colors better. Look, do you see the change in color? First it starts like greenish light green, and then it changes into very dark blue.
That's indigo.
Yeah. Wow.
I love
Oh, the beaches are lovely. My goodness. On both sides. Yeah, look at that. Nice sand. Nice beaches. Let's go take a walk. Let's go take a walk on the beach.
Go and feel what the sand is like.
Yeah. Hola, gracias. Ah, está bien, gracias. Yes. Just lift your feet higher up, like this, high.
Oh, it's so hot, it's so hot.
Very resort-like feeling, you know, here. The weather is great, the ocean is great, the beach is great. Hola! Gracias! See? Beautiful people, as always. Mexican people. You can run. Nice. Yes, let me see. Let me try the water. Wow, feels so good. The sand is soft. Yeah, the water is warm. The waves are big. I should raise my hands higher. Woo! The waves just come so unexpectedly. Like you don't feel like it coming, and then it's just here already. Wow, look at this big one! Oh my gosh! The ocean is wild here too, my goodness. I guess it's always like that, right? The ocean side, there's always wind and the waves are always big. But it's so warm. The water is just totally warm. Wow, nice. Woo! Ah, so nice and warm. Oh my gosh, I see something in front of me. Something amazing is coming up. Prince Eric, do you see something in front of you? Look at this. Rock statues. Wow, who did this? Do you see that? Right here, look. This is a perfect photo op right here. Wow, who made all these rocks? Obviously it looks like it's man-made. Wow. Somebody took their time to do this. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. This is beautiful. Very beautiful, yep.
Why did you build a big
It's really cute, isn't it? There's something about this. Very soothing. So this was the beach of Malecón, Puerto Vallarta. And now look at this statue here. Wow, nice.
I can sit here.
Oh, yes, you could if you could climb. Look at this belly. Look at this guy's belly. This is amazing. I think the statues are so elaborate and they are very artistic and they're very interesting. Very interesting. Did you see those shoes? Look at these shoes. Look at this. The statues here, they say you'll never see a sign to say don't touch. In fact, they say all the statues sculptures on the Malecón here in Vallarta are actually to be touched, to be felt, to be sat on, and even climbed up if you can. Yeah, that's how interactive this, art gallery, walking art gallery is. So in here we are back to Malecón. Wow, look at this beautiful, beautiful, very nicely landscaped boardwalk. So this is actually the promenade, right? And then just on the edge, there runs like a curvy path as well. So it's all part of Malecón. So it's like you can walk on this side, or you can walk right along the edge of the Malecón, where you will be all in the sun. But both sides are very beautiful. And then in the middle they have this landscaped area, like islands, little islands with greenery. Beautiful greenery. Wow.
I love it.
I love it. Yes.
Cause you are the only one.
Thank you so much.
The only one. Cause you are the only one.
Look at this coastline, guys. So this is the north side of Puerto Vallarta, and all those skyscrapers, they are Marina Vallarta and Nueva Vallarta areas. So we are right now somewhat like, I suppose, in the middle, going south, close to the south of the city, and right on Malecón. And I just wanted you to see the skyline of the city. It looks very pretty too, right? But the most amazing thing to me is the colors of the sea. This is just unbelievable to me. Amazing, amazing colors. Yeah. This boardwalk is so beautiful. I can see how you can just sit here all evening, every night, and just hang out. What do you think this is? You gotta go climb. To me, it looks like two things. It could be a dragon, or it could be a seahorse. Oh yeah, it's hot, hot, yes, yes.
Or a night. You know that it's killing me. Why do you always leave? It's not right. We don't fight.
Look at this cute little teeny stones, Prince Eric. Look at this.
This art right here, what
yes.
you see on the ground, this is actually called Huichol art.
Virtual.
And they're native people from Nayarit, from up in the mountains, but they like to be called Huariscara. Huariscara. This actually is called Shakira. Shakira. The little pebbles.
The little pebbles.
I'll take pleasure in.
Our agency is called Holistica Experience.
Wow.
Cause you are the
My name is Eric Fabian, and my job is to give you information of the things that you guys can do. Yes, this is a nice little like cartoonish map. It gives something for you guys to explore, and not only that, but the kids to use. Okay,
Yes.
right now
Awesome.
we're actually like right here by the boardwalk. Okay, and as you notice, they have those arches. This is a little amphitheater where on the weekends they do comedy shows for the kids, for the families. Okay?
Oh,
This
wow.
area right here, if you ever go, there's a little private company called Canopy Rivers, which has the longest bridge in North America.
Wow.
It's about 475 meters long. Okay, the adrenaline and not only that, but the experience is like one of a kind.
Ooh, how beautiful. My goodness.
longest
And
bridge.
look, Princess, this is a hanging bridge.
It's a
Wow.
hanging bridge. When you guys go, you park the vehicles, and you guys go over here and you swim.
Wow, this is an experience. Thank you. All this is helpful. So whenever you guys find yourself in Puerto Vallarta, make a stop at Holistica Experience.
Experience,
Yes, to book any of the nice tours they have to show you more and more of Vallarta. Wow, so this is another extraordinary sculpture. Look at that. So we see an octopus on top, and then it's like a person, and then it's got legs, and the legs, she's wearing the boots, but they're tentacles. Octopus tentacles. How funny is
1,
that?
2,
I
3, 4,
know.
5, 6, 7.
That's amazing.
And on the
Amazing.
back.
It's like a throne too. Next sculpture. Ah, look at this. Look at this, Prince Eric. This is like a dragon here. Check this out. From the back, it looks like a dragon, or maybe it's a fish. But look, what does this look like?
It looks like foot.
Like that. Oh, that's hilarious. So, an alien on top. His feet are actually octopus tentacles, but he also has this funny foot, which looks like a frog foot, right?
It mixed up with the alien and the octopus.
Yes, correct. Because
Maybe he's a mixed up with the alien, mixed up with frog, and mixed
yes,
up
he is so many mixtures, all in one. He's amazing. Uh-huh. Wow. But look at this one. Woo! That's so many things. I see a shark. I see a fish there, a tail like a shark tail or something. And then I see even alligator feet. Do you see that? Alligator feet.
What is it?
This is like a cute little guy. He's like, is he as tall as you?
Yeah, but I'm taller than him.
You're taller. He's a baby. Baby. He's got a bald head. And guess what? Let's see how shiny he is on top of his head, because everybody keeps stroking him. Yeah. They say maybe for good luck. All the seats are all shiny and smooth. People are sitting on them doing all kinds of things. Like this. Just stand up. Stand up. Vallarta. I'm dancing. Come. Nicole. Ballerina style. That's a throne. You want to sit on it? Yeah, it's like a throne. Let's see. So these are very, very futuristic, like very extraordinary sculptures we see here. Oh, Prince Eric found ears. Oh my goodness. Woo! It's the ears, walking ears. It's got shoes and the feet, and it can walk. It can walk. Where's the face?
The face is my too.
Right here is the face. These are the eyes. Look, it's got the eyes.
Even you can
Oh yes, let's sit down. Woo! What do you see here now? Woo! Look at this nose here. That's a nose. Check this out. You see this nose?
Whoa!
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so young.
And check this out.
Oh,
I'm gonna show you something.
Mommy,
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and woo! Woo! I like my head is in the way. Elephant. I'm dancing to the music. I hear the music. So again, these statues are all for interaction. So the fact that I'm standing on it, it's okay. You can sit on it, you can climb it, you can touch it, and do all kinds of things you want. Whee! Another baby. Hello, baby.
He has no hands.
Oh, what happened to his hands?
Okay.
Wow, I think this combination or exposition of all these sculptures so far is my favorite, I think, because you can think of so many different things looking at them. It's amazing. It's amazing. Right? I think the ear structure is my favorite, Prince Eric. The ear statues. Statue with 2 ears like that. Oh, guys, watch this vehicle. So much fun. It's pretty much powered by your own feet. You sit on it, and it's like a bicycle for every person who is sitting on it. And you all start cycling at the same time. As you do that, look, it's moving. Yeah, we're gonna do it also. Whee! This is so much fun! Look at that! How fun, how fun! Somebody had such an inventive idea. Wow, look, Prince Eric! Look at that! And look at that! How many of them? Oh, they're climbing. What are they climbing?
Up a ladder.
The ladder. What are they saying?
They say, oh, ho!
Yeah, they're greeting the sun or maybe the moon. Wow. What do they look like?
They look like elves.
Like elves. They look like elves. That's what my son is saying. This is the cutest. Look at their faces. They probably are singing as well. Wow.
How about we climb up?
Yes, we can try. Like this. Let's go up. Woo! I know. It's so funny. So funny. How far can I climb? Woo! Woo! That's a test for me. Am I scared of heights? Wow. I reached his foot. That's hello. Hello. That's as far as I can climb. Yeah, that's it. Can't go any further. It gets a little scary. Hello, Prince Eric. Hello. I'm so high up. Woo. They're singing. The sculptures are like, woo. Yeah, let's go down. Woo. Wow. It's more scary to go down than it is to go up. Wow. I know, funny feet, right? Ah, he says, and we see a lot of military people here. Watch. So this is actually like federal police, I guess. They, you know, it's a common sight.
Mommy, what was that?
Yeah, that's a policeman. Hello, say wave. Hi. I love your outfit, right? Beautiful. They say Guardia Nacional, National Army. Yes, National Army of Mexico. It's a common sight that you'll see very heavily armed police in regular streets. They always like ready for drug cartel fights or something that happen occasionally that don't interfere with the civilian life at all. It's a different world altogether. The striking thing I've noticed about the police, they are so friendly. They always greet you, they smile at you, and yet they are all masked up and with the heavy arms and all that. So they are intimidating at a glance, but when you come close to them, they're actually very, very nice people. That's different from like other countries where police is supposed to be very, scary. Not here, not in Mexico. Look at that interesting shop in front. You see something there? Like a little train, right? It's like as if the trains are carrying some very precious stones. Ooh, look at that. It's like we are in the cave, right? In the mine. That's a very cool concept.
We have this concept because there is opals mines here in Jalisco state. Allow me to show you. This is an opal stone, natural opal stone.
Wow.
This is how they look when they first get found. Now,
Wow,
this is
just
the
like
quality vein that we use like for jewelry purposes. With the rest of the opal, we use like to make decoration, like little sculptures or chess pieces or stuff like that.
Right.
That is exactly the reason why we look like a mine. Because
Yeah.
we have the concession of a mine. We dig out
Awesome.
the gemstones and make the jewelry.
Wow.
Now, this color of opal only gets mined in Mexico. The really deep red color of opal. Different variations as far as the intensity of the color, but the
Yeah.
red ones only get mined in Mexico. Not even in Australia, which is the main opal producer in the world, they don't get the red ones. They do have a huge amount of production, but the red
Wow.
ones they get. There's not two identical ones. Even when we try to make earrings, it's very difficult for us as jewelers to find
To
an exact
match.
Yeah,
Because
there's
that's
always
the.
a little variation between them.
Yes.
Because they're far apart, it's okay.
Right. And because they're real.
And they're
It's
real, yeah, they're
right.
natural, yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Wow. That's
For the
amazing.
ones that don't like the opals, we carry all the rest of the gemstones: diamonds, rubies, emerald, catsnites.
Ah, okay.
But our
Interesting.
specialty in this company is the opal.
Opal. So there's a lot of opal in Mexico, in other
There
words?
is a big presence of opal in Mexico.
Okay. Cool. This is amazing store. I like how you did it. So unique. When do you see jewelry store so close to the source, so to speak, right? Like you, like literally dug out from the rock in the mine
Mommy?
and polished and put
Mommy?
right in there.
In other words, we cut off all the middleman as possible the price.
Wow.
Now
I like
everything
that.
we sell does come with a certification of authenticity and guarantee for life.
Really? Wow. So these are also like real rocks that actually opal rocks?
This is pieces of rocks of the matrix, and there's a little bit of opal here, a little bit of opal here. And as you can see, it's on the same stone, but the variation of the color is different. What you do
Planes
is
and all
with
that.
sandpaper, you get rid of the matrix, but you gotta be careful and use water at the whole time that you're sanding that down, because these are fragile stones, and if they too dry, they will burst.
Yeah.
Why don't you keep it
Wow,
so you have
it's your
something to
gift.
remember?
What do you say?
Thank you. Gracias.
Un placer.
Very nice. That's a treasure. You're gonna put it in your treasure chest at home,
You
okay?
can start a collection of stones.
That's right. Do you feel like you're in a cave, Princess?
Yeah, I feel like I'm getting to
Wow, I like it. And the murals on the wall, the picture shows how the work is done.
Yeah, that's pretty much.
Cause you are the only one.
The opal mine. Okay guys, get ready for something to view. Look at this, the waves are just crazy. They're so high. They're the highest I have seen in Mexico so far. Okay, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Watch this. Done. Woo! Huge, yes. Huge waves. Whoa, my God. Ah, it feels so good. Can you smell?
Yeah.
The ocean.
The ocean breeze.
Yeah.